Happy New Year to all! I miss you a lot, and today's year I'm a little bit fatter than before. Have you noticed that my face is going bigger and bigger? How are you guys? I miss everyone of all my subscriber, of all my followers. Hi guys. Today's today For this year, I'm really sad to say that I don't have really an everyday vlog or everyday live because sometimes I am not feeling well. You see, my eyes now is a little bit swollen, the left side. But I really miss talking to you guys. I hope you will visit again my live and you will watch all my vlogs this year. So I'm invited everyone to watch Dinagyang Festival here in Iloilo City, and I have already posted my opening salvo vlogs. So guys, please don't miss to watch Dinagyang Festival here in our city, the city of love, Iloilo City. I miss everyone. I hope you will join me to witness the Dinagyang Festival here in our lovely city. Thank you guys, and I hope you can visit once more my vlogs and my live and my short vlogs, of course. So how are you everyone? I still have time. That's why what time is today? Today is 8:16. My office time is 8:30, so I still have maybe 10 minutes talking to you. So as I remember, I stopped blogging or making a live last October, I think. Yeah, I seldom post a little bit of vlog and I seldom making live. But now I promise you, I will do my very best to post vlogs and live to you so that you will be updated, because last October maybe I'm the first one to suffer a illness like pneumonia. Yeah, I have a pneumonia last October. So I am not really in a good condition to make a live or to make a vlog because I have a stuffy nose. I'm really a bad cough. So it's not really good to vlog. So that's the reason that until November and a little bit of December, I'm not really into making a content. But I promise you this year that I will be very energetic to make some content just for you guys. And I miss all my viewers, especially to Mama Deng, my all-time viewers, si Mama Deng. I don't know if you are still watching me. To Ma'am Lu and her husband. And of course to to Tita Marie or to Ma'am Marie or Sis Marie and her husband, of course, who had given me a birthday gift last August. That August is not really bad for me because I'm not sick, but October, I'm really not in good condition. So, Sis Marie, I'm sorry I have not posted a very good vlogs on that month, and I'm not really into live. But today, I promise you that I will make live often. Yeah, I cannot promise that I will make a live every day, but I promise that I will make some live or some vlogs often. To my 1,000 viewer. No. To my one viewer, good morning. Good morning. I really tried my best to make a live so that you will not forget me, of course. You will not forget me. And please visit my vlog again so that you can watch all my Dinagyang Festival vlogs and whatever happenings surroundings this city. And I promise, yes, I really promise that I will often post a content just for my viewers and my subscribers. I miss you all. Just like before, I'm always posting anything, anywhere, anything, every day, anything. But I will really try my best this year. What time is it now? Oh, 8:19. I still have maybe I still have 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Because my time is 8:30, so it's already 8:19. Okay, guys. What? Oh, will show you the temperature here in the city. Today is very sunny. See, very sunny. Yeah, I already opened the window. Yeah, have you seen that? It's so very sunny. But later in the afternoon, the temperature change. It changed fast. In the morning, it's very sunny, but in the afternoon, it rains. So this is the background again. I know you missed this background, and that is the latest update of our Iloilo Terminal Market. Yeah, that is a very big market here in the city. So, yeah, you already watched the office, and I'm here. Hi. Have you noticed that I'm getting a little bit fatter? You see my face? It's swollen. Yeah. My eyes is all a little bit reddish, but this January 9, I think the eyes is already swollen. Maybe how many days more, and I will see the doctor. I will try to see the doctor. Yeah, but the other eyes is not. So guys, that's the only update for today. Please watch all my vlogs, and promise I will post often, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I miss you, everyone. Bye-bye. If you watch my vlogs, please help me by not skipping ads, okay? Bye-bye.